Hello everyone, I am Dr. Pooja Sharma, working as an Associate Professor in Department of MBA with the SAGE Group. Today I am going to explain you the concept of capital budgeting. It is a very important concept in financial management. Whenever the company has to take the decision about the investment, about the long-term investment, about the capital expenditure, this concept, this technique is used to evaluate the projects, evaluate the alternatives. So let's start with the concept of capital budgeting. It is the process which determines the real investment project should be accepted by the company and what allocation of funds should be made by the company in terms of the long term investment. Capital budgeting means planning of the capital expenditure, planning of the capital assets. Capital budgeting is the process of making investment in capital expenditure. Capital expenditure means what? It is the expenditure which is made by the company for the long term purpose. So it will not give you the return within the time period of 1 year, it will give you the return in long term in the future only, and it involves the investment in the non-flexible assets. If I'll talk about the capital expenditure, means when you are making the investment in non-flexible assets, means fixed assets, that is known as the capital expenditure. Capital expenditure, or like whenever the company will take the decision about the capital budgeting, this kind of decision are taken by the company in terms of the investment in long term assets or in fixed assets, and it is very important part of the planning and controlling of the business activities. It is the process of making investment decision in capital expenditure and in fixed assets. Basically, in when I'll talk about the when the company has to purchase any machinery, when the company has to going to start any project, any plant, then this type of decision, this type of technique will help in to take the decision either the company should invest in that or not. Why it is important and what is the need of the capital expenditure for a firm? Huge investment, first and important aspect of that, huge investment, because whenever the company has to made the amount, has made the investment amount, has invest a large amount, they need to take the decision either the company should go with that decision or not. So for giving the justification with that means that project will give you the benefit or not. So this kind of activity, this kind of technique will provide you, will help you to take the decision about the huge investment in the capital expenditure long term. Basically, when the company will take the decision about the about the capital expenditure, this kind of decision is taken by the company for the long term purpose only. Irreversible, when the capital investment decision are irreversible. Why it is said irreversible? Because you cannot change it, you cannot take back it. If you'll take investment, if you'll do the investment in any of the project, you cannot take back it. It's not the easy task until or unless you will not get the succeed, or you will not get the result of that. So it is very difficult to dispose of those assets without involving the huge losses. So whenever the company has to take this kind of decision, they'll think about it before either this project or this investment will give you the benefit or not. Long term effects, capital budgeting will not give you the result in one day. It will give you the, this kind of investment will give you the result in long term only, and it reduces the cost but also increases the revenue in long term. So you have to wait. Whenever the company has invested in any of the project, in any of the plant, in any of the machinery, the company should wait for the results, the company should wait for the profit, because any business, any profit will not give you the return in the short term period. In initial year you will just cover the cost of the project, and later on you will just get the benefit from that. So this kind of decision is taken by the company for the long will give you the long term effect only, long term benefit only. Process of capital budgeting, whenever the company has to decide any of the investment, any of the capital investment. So this process should be followed. And at first step, identification of investment alternatives proposals, then is screening the proposals on the basis of the feasibility, and then evaluate the various proposal. Suppose you have the only the two alternatives, two proposals in which you can invest, so you will just evaluate that with the help of the capital budgeting techniques. Then fixing the priorities, what are the priorities you have, on the basis of that you will select that. Preparation of capital expenditure budget, whatever the expenditure you have to make for that, you'll just make the budget for that. Then implement the project on the basis of the evaluation, which the technique will give you the maximum return as per your priorities. Either you will give the choice to return, or to the time of the project, or to the rate of return. So you'll just select on the basis of that. If you just go for the return, you'll just select the project which will give you the maximum return. So then you will implement that, then you will make the then we will make evaluate that, and we will just review the performance. Either whatever the project, whatever the decision you have taken, that decision is good or not, that project is giving you the satisfactory result or not, as per the planned result or not. And this is again the part of the controlling activity, which just check, which helps in checking this decision or this method will give you the expected results or not. So this is whole about the process of capital budgeting. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. See you in next video.